Ever needed tech support but struggled to explain the issue? Teamviewer Session Co. is your golden ticket to hassle-free remote assistance. First, launch the Teamviewer application on your computer and make sure you're on the Remote Control tab. It's typically the default screen when you open the app. Here, you'll immediately see your ID and a randomly generated password. These are crucial for establishing a connection, and although your ID is static, the password is the one that will change. For unattended access, explore Grant Easy Access in the settings for quicker connections. Today, we are focusing on the session code, which requires you to get a new password each time. If you want a technician to connect to your computer, provide them with the ID and password shown here, and they will be able to assist you. If you are on the other end and wish to gain access to a colleague's computer, they will need to send you their ID and password, after which you can input it to gain access. And that's it. Now you know how to find and share your Teamviewer session code, making remote support a breeze, and this ensures seamless remote assistance every single time.